Hi all, very happy morning to each and everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting concept and very beautiful concept from integral solutions. Today we are going to discuss integral solutions. Integral solutions is an extremely important topic for various examination. In fact, I have not seen any CAT paper or any management exam paper without having a question from a topic integral solution. Integral solution, probably this is the fourth or the fifth session which we are discussing. So by the number of sessions that we are taking, you can understand the importance of this topic. In integral solution, today we are going to discuss how to find integral solution using permutation and combination method. Permutation and combination method, which we will popularly call it as gap method. Extremely important concept, sir. Which we call it as gap method. Very easy topic, very easy to understand. I will start from basic, then intermediate level, then advanced level, then exam model questions. Probably, right, this should take about 60 minutes to 75 minutes to complete the topics. If we go at a moderate speed, 60 to 75 minutes it will take to complete this topic. Every possible model that we will discuss. In case if you are preparing for any CAT and other management exams, this class is very useful. CAT and other management exams. In case if you are preparing for SSC CGL, you can avoid a lot of calculation by knowing this method. In case if you are preparing for IIT JEE or any of the school Olympiad related exams, you can also watch this session. Extremely important session. We will start with very elementary basics. In case if you are preparing for CAT 2024 and you are looking out for an shortcut crash course, we have a fantastic crash course. Maximum number of students have enrolled for this class. We are offering a 50% discount and I will come regularly on a weekly basis also. 6 to 8 hours of live classes will be provided. This course is a combination of live class as well as recorded class. There is an 120 hours of CAT 2024 recorded sessions of previous batches, probability and logical reasoning data interpretation. We have mocks in PDF format, we have sectional tests, we will give you the classroom notes in a Google Drive share so that you can print it. We will give all the funda material in an Google Drive format. You are getting everything, almost recorded content, live classes content, 50% discount content, mocks, sectional tests, classroom notes Google Drive, study material Google Drive. You can download Anil Nair classes app and you can check in the store option. In case if you are planning to write Asia's toughest exam, CAT and other management exam. In case if you are preparing for SSC CGL mains and you are very much confident that you will clear pre-cutoff, you can go for this SSC CGL. Two kinds of students can go for these courses. Students who are preparing for 2025 next year SSC CGL, you can go for 6 or 12 months course. In case if you are writing mains examination, you can go for the 3 months course. What are the course futures? 2,500 plus shortcut tricks, 20,000 plus solved problems, 700 plus hours of recorded content, and we will keep on updating the content so that you will get advanced level problems also. In case if you are preparing for SSC CGL, we are also releasing today a 9th class IIT foundation course that I will tell it in a separate class. Now please write down. Integral solutions. First we will discuss fundamentals, important concepts that a student should know. Then we will take some examples. Then we will talk about the practice problems present in the sheet. integral solutions. There are two kinds of questions that will be asked. One is non-negative integral solution. Non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solution. Now see here, integers, if I plot it on a number line, 0 will be there. Any number which is to the right side of 0, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. They are called positive integers, or we can also call it as natural number solutions. 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3. These are called natural number solution or positive integers. Integers are a combination of negative integers, 0 and positive integers. Non-negative integers, other than negative, non-negative, other than negative. Other than negative means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite. Integers are negative integers, 0 and positive. So 0 and positive, the another synonym for non-negative integers is whole number solutions. Whole numbers are 0 and natural numbers. Whole number solutions. Whole number solutions. If he is asking whole number solutions or non-negative integral solutions, both are synonyms. Non-negative, other than negative, that means I need to include 0. I need to include 0. Then comes positive integral solutions. As the name suggests, positive integral solutions. What do you mean by positive integral solutions? Integers which are positive. Integers which are positive. Positive integers are also called as natural number solutions. Positive integers are also called as natural number solutions. Positive integers are also called as natural number solutions. Are also called as natural number solutions. Positive integers are natural number solutions. Are natural number solutions start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite. What is the difference between non-negative and positive integers? Positive integers. Integers which are positive. So all positive values will take. All positive numbers are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite. If he is asking natural number solutions, it is also called as positive integers. If he is asking whole number solutions, it is also called as non-negative integral solution. In case if he is asking integers, in case if it is asking integral solutions, in case if he is asking integral solutions, integers means 0, right side of 0, all the values we should take. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinite. 0 left hand side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on up to minus infinite. Integral solutions means I need to take negative integers, I need to take negative integers, I need to take 0 to the right side of 0. Which number it is there? Positive integers. To the right side of 0. Which number it is there? Positive integers. To the right side of 0. Positive integers. That means integral solutions means it is a combination of 3 values. One is negative integers, another is 0, another is positive integral solutions. Another is positive integral solutions. Another is positive integral solution. Entire problems, whatever we are discussing today, is based on these 3 concepts. These 3 concepts. What are the concepts? non-negative integral solutions, positive integral solutions, and integral solution. All the questions will be of these format. Important point, whole number solutions are non-negative integral solutions. Both are same. When I say whole number solutions and non-negative integral solutions, both are same. When I say natural number solutions or positive integral solutions, both are same, both are synonyms. When I say integral solution, I need to take three values. Negative integers I need to take, 0 I need to take, and positive integers I need to take. Positive integers I need to take. What we will do is, first we will take a concept, then we will move the concept to another concepts. Listen carefully, sir. Find the number of positive integral solutions. Find the number of positive integral solutions. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. 5 examples I will take. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. Positive integral solutions are also called as natural number solutions. Listen carefully. Basic example. First one. Examples. First one. A plus B is equivalent to 4. A plus B is equivalent to 4. Since it is positive integral solutions which take positive integers, we need to find out a comma b values. Since it is taking positive integral solutions, a and b both will start with 1. Positive integers are natural numbers. If it is non-negative integral solution, then a comma b should have started from 0. Are you all with me? Why I wrote a and b greater than or equivalent to 1? Because a and b are taking natural number solutions. Method 1. A plus b is equivalent to 4. Counting. A is starting from 1. 1 plus 3 is equivalent to 4. 1 and 3. Both are positive integers. 2 plus 2 is equivalent to 4. 3 plus 1 is equivalent to 4. Here 2 comma 2, here 3 comma 1. Total how many values we got for a comma b? 3 values we got. It is nothing but a counting process. Instead of 4, if it is 100, instead of 2 variables, if there are 3 variables, so on and so forth, so many cases will come. This is a traditional approach or a brute force approach. This is right by default approach. Now let us see method 2. Which we call it as gap method. Please listen carefully, sir. Which we call it as gap method. A plus b is equivalent to 4. This entire linear equation, imagine it as the below scenario. A plus b is equivalent to 4. Let us assume these 4 balls are there. These 4 balls, I need to keep it in 2 buckets. Right? Left hand side 2 variables are there. I have 4 balls with me. I need to keep these 4 balls in 2 buckets. What are the buckets? Bucket A and bucket B. Each bucket should have minimum 1 ball. Whatever the right hand side number is there, assume that many balls are there with you. Whatever that is there on the left hand side, you need to arrange that balls in these buckets. A plus B is equivalent to 4. 4 are there. Now see here. If 4 balls, if I arrange it in a line. Now listen carefully. If I arrange it in a line, since the name is gap method, 4 balls are there. How many gaps are there? Here 1 gap, here second gap, here third gap. If 2 balls are there, if I keep 2 balls like this, 1 gap is there, 3 balls are there, 2 gaps are there. If 4 balls are there, that means there are 3 gaps. That means there are 3 gaps. That is the reason name gap method. Out of these 3 gaps, listen carefully, sir. Out of these 3 gaps, you select any one gap, you can have, right, the condition fulfilled. If I select this gap, that means that 1 ball will get into right bucket A, remaining 3 balls will get into bucket B. That means this condition is satisfied. If I select out of 3 gaps, any one gap, I selected this. If I select this, 2 balls will get into bucket A, 2 balls will get into bucket B. Are you all with me? This condition is fulfilled. If I select this gap, out of 3 gaps, selecting any one gap will give you one solution. 3 balls will get into bucket A, 1 ball will get into bucket B. That means there are 4 balls are there. Listen carefully. First examples. There are 3 gaps are there. Select any one gap. You will get one solution. Out of 3, selecting any one, it is 3C1. 3C1, it is 3. NC1 is equivalent to N. NC1 is equivalent to N. Are you all with me? First one answer it is 3. Out of 3 gaps, selecting any one gaps, either this or this or this or this. So 3 gaps, either this 1 or 2 or 3, 1, 1, 1, right, or condition. NC1, out of n objects, I am selecting one object. It can be first object, it can be second object, it can be third object, it can be nth object. Total how many ways are there? N ways are there. N ways are there. So what we will do is, right hand side, whatever the numerical value it is there, that we will assume it as balls. Right. Left hand side, how many variables are there? That many buckets we will consider. I have to arrange these balls into buckets. So if I keep 4 balls, there are 3 gaps are there. Out of 3 gaps, if I select any one gap, both the buckets will satisfy these number of balls condition. Are you all with me? Familiarity. The more the number of problems you will solve, the more confidence you will get. Just to listen, sir. First example, clear, right? Second example. Second, more examples will do. Second, A plus B is equivalent to 20. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B is equivalent to 20. A comma B greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B equivalent to 20 means 20 balls are arranged. If I arrange 20 balls, how many gaps will be there? 19 gaps will be there. 19 gaps will be there. 19 gaps will be there. How many buckets are there? 2 buckets. If 2 buckets are there, 1 cut is enough. So, between 19 gaps, any one. 19 C1. What is the answer? 19. 19 C1, 19. If you want to imagine it as a diagram, 1, 2 and so on up to 20 balls. There are 19 gaps are there. There are 19 gaps are there. If I select one, if 2 variables are there, 1 cut is enough. Because think logically, if I do 1 cut, 1 ball plus 19 balls, 1 plus 19, 20. If I do here cut, 2 plus 18. If I do last cut, 19 plus 1, 20. 2 variables are there, 1 cut is enough. 3 variables are there, 2 cuts are required. 4 variables are there, right? 3 cuts are required. N variables in left hand side. N variables in left hand side. N minus 1 cuts are required. N minus 1 cuts needed. N minus 1 cuts needed. N minus 1 cuts needed. Second example. I hope it is clear. Third example. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 12. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. 3 variables. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 12. Immediately it should come into your mind. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 12. 12 balls are arranged in a line. If 12 balls are arranged in a line, how many gaps will be there? 11 gaps will be there. 2 variables, 1 cut. 3 variables, 2 cut. 11C2. 11C2. Now see here. NC2 it is given by NCR it is given by n factorial by n minus r factorial, r factorial. Third example is very important. You will learn a concept. 11C2, this is the notation for NCR. 11C2 is 11 factorial by 11 minus 2, 9 factorial into 2 factorial. 11 factorial it is 11 into product of all the natural numbers from 11 to 1 into 9 factorial by 9 factorial into 2 into 1. So answer for this question is 11 into 10 by 2. Please now see here. 11 is a prime number. Prime number cannot be decomposed further. 11C2. Answer should be divisible by 11. 11C2. Answer should be divisible by 11. 11 is a prime number. Prime number cannot be decomposed further. Please do not find out NCR. Check which option is divisible by 11. Check which option is divisible by 11. I hope the idea it is clear. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 12. 12 balls are arranged in a line. How many gaps are there? 11 gaps are there. If left hand side 2 variables are there, 1 cut is required. If 3 variables are there, 2 cuts are required. It is 11C2. 11C2. 11 is a prime number. Prime number cannot be decomposed further. So answer should be divisible by 11. Very, very useful concept in your right permutation and combination concepts. See here. 7C3. 3 to 4 examples, it will be clear to you. 7C3. Now listen carefully. What is NCR? You will do like this. NCR is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 7 minus 3 factorial is 4 factorial into 3 factorial. So this will be 7 factorial it is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial, 4 factorial. 3 2s are 6. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Please do not do like this and waste your time. Just look at the question. 7C3. 7 is a prime number. Prime number cannot be decomposed further. Answer should be divisible by 7. If more than one answer option is divisible by 7, going from 7 to 1, what is the next prime number? 5. So answer should be divisible by 7 and 5. Answer should be divisible by 7 and 5. Are you all with me? Answer should be divisible by 7 and 5. Suppose, second example, 11C4. You don't do anything. 11. 11 is a prime number. Answer should be divisible by 11. Answer should be divisible by 11. Are you all with me? Sir, what if this is not a prime number? 6C2. 6C2. Here 7 is a prime number, here 11 is a prime number, but 6 is not a prime number. How to do? 6C2. If I do it large by formula, 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So this will be 6 factorial, it is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2. This cancel, this cancel. 2 3s are 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. We are starting with 6. Because NCR contains factorial from 6 to 1. From 6 to 1. What are the prime numbers that you are getting? 5 you are getting, 3 you are getting. That means answer should be divisible by 5. Of course, in this case 3 also. Are you all with me? If it is a composite number, what is the prime number? Just less than that composite number, please take it. Just less than that composite number, please take it. 8C3. 8C3. What is the concept that I discussed? What is the prime number? Just less than 8, 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. Answer should be divisible by 7. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. 8C3. 8 factorial by 8 minus 3 5 factorial into 3 factorial. NCR will be n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 8 factorial will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 6. 5 5 cancel, 6 6 cancel. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. Idea clear. Only 2 cases will be there. Only 2 cases will be there. In NCR related problems, n can be a prime number or n can be a composite number. Only 2 cases. N can be a prime number or n can be a composite number. Idea clear? Every topic, not a single doubt you will get it in the class. Our classroom notes itself will have every problem solved in an basic level to advanced level. 7C3, 7 is a prime number. 11C4, 11 is a prime number. 6C2, 6 is a composite number. Prime number just less than 6. 8C3, prime number just less than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope the concepts are very much clear to you. Let's get back to the problems. I hope these 3 problems are clear to you. If there are n variables in the left hand side, n minus 1 cuts are required. Right? We are discussing positive integral solutions. 4th question. Tell me these answers, sir. A1 plus A2 plus A10 is equivalent to 40. Positive integral solutions. A1 to A10 greater than or equivalent to 1. Greater than or equivalent to 1. 40 balls are kept in a line. If 40 balls are kept in a line, how many gaps will be there? 39 gaps will be there. 39 gaps will be there. If 2 variables are there, 1 cut. If 10 variables are there, it is a 9 cut. 9 cuts. 39 C9. 39, it is a composite number. What is the prime number? Just less than 39, 37. Answer should be divisible by 37. Answer should be divisible by 37. I hope the fourth problem it is very much clear to you. Fourth problem it is very much clear to you. Fifth one. 3x plus 4y is equivalent to 60. X comma y greater than or equivalent to 1. How many values xy will take? 3x plus 4y is equivalent to 60. X comma y are greater than or equivalent to 1. How many values x comma y will take? Listen carefully. This problem we did it in linear equations, integral solutions method. Now we will do it in a different method. Listen carefully. There is a catch in the question. 3 is a factor of 60. 4 is also a factor of 60. 4 is also a factor of 60. See here. 3x plus 4y is equivalent to 60. 3x plus 4y is equivalent to 60. Step number 1. 60 is divisible by 3. 3x it is also divisible by 3. That means 4y should be divisible by 3. 4 is not divisible by 3. That means y should be divisible by 3. Y I am calling it as 3b. Again I am repeating. 60 it is divisible by 3. 3x it is 3 into any number. It is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. 4 is not divisible by 3. Y should be divisible by 3. Next one. 60 it is divisible by 4. 4y it is divisible by 4. That means 3x should be divisible by 4. 3 is not divisible by 4. X should be divisible by 4. X should be divisible by 4. Are you all with me? So, y should be divisible by 3. X should be divisible by 4. Substitute. 3 into 4a, 12a. 4 into 3b, 12b is equivalent to 60. A plus b is equivalent to 60. Of course, it is a positive integral solution. So, a plus b is equivalent to 5. A plus b is equivalent to 5. 12 5s are 60. Idea clear? 12 5s are 60. A plus b is equivalent to 5. What does that mean? 5 balls are there. How many gaps are there? 4 gaps. 2 variables, 1 cut. 4C1. Answer for this question. How many positive values x will take? 4. How many positive values x will take? 4. Is the idea clear to you? 3x plus 4y equivalent to 60. Here, if you see here, this question is of the format ax plus by is equivalent to k. A comma b both are factors of right hand side. A comma b both are factors of right hand side. Both are factors of right hand side. This is the procedure one needs to follow. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. Y should be divisible by 3. This is divisible by 4. This is divisible by 4. X should be divisible by 4. So 3 into 4a, 12a. 4 into 3b, 12b is equivalent to 60. A plus b is equivalent to 60. Since xy are greater than 1, a and b will also be 1. 12 5s are 60. A plus b is equivalent to 5. 5 balls are there. There will be 4 gaps. 2 variables, 1 cut. 2 variables, 1 cut. 4C1 equivalent to 4. We will do a lot of problems today so that you will understand the various models present in the question. How to find the positive integral solutions. I hope the basic fundamentals are clear to you. Right hand side denotes the number of balls. Take the gaps. Left hand side, if n variables are there, how many cuts are required? N minus 1 cuts are required. N minus 1 cuts are required. one by one we will solve the question. X plus y is equivalent to, when he is saying xy are greater than or equivalent to 1, that means here also it is greater than or equivalent to 1. That means we are referring to positive integral solutions. Positive integral solutions. When the variables are starting from 1, it is a positive integral solution. X plus y equivalent to 10. 10 variables are present in a line. How many gaps are there? 9 gaps are there. 2 variables, 1 cut. NC1, it is n. NC1 is equivalent to n. NC1 is equivalent to n. Are you all with me? Second question. Since you know the concepts, you will be having a lot of comfort while solving the question. Second question. A plus B plus C, it is equivalent to 24. ABC greater than or equivalent to 1. All are starting from 1. So it is a positive integral solution. 24 balls are there. That means 23 gaps will be there. Left hand side, 3 variables are there. So answer will be 2 cuts. If we want to know NC2, it is given by n into n minus 1 by 2. You can substitute this 23 into 22 by 2. Answer is 23 into 11. Or you can say, what is the 23? 23 into 23, it is a prime number. So answer should be divisible by 23. Check which answer option is divisible by 23. Check which option is divisible by 23. Second question, I hope the idea it is clear. Third question, A plus B plus C, it is equivalent to 54. A plus B plus C, it is equivalent to 54. What are ABC? ABC are odd natural numbers. Odd numbers it is. Left hand side, how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. All are odd numbers. If I use the basic concept of what will happen if I add 3 odd numbers, odd plus odd. If I add 3 odd numbers, what will be the answer? Odd number plus odd number, even number. Even number plus odd number, odd number. Left hand side it is an odd number, right hand side it is an even number. It is not possible. So answer for this question is no value for A comma B comma C. If I add odd number of odd numbers, I will get an odd number, but the right hand side it is given as even number. So answer for this question is no value for right A comma B C exists. Odd plus odd even, even plus odd it is odd. Right hand side it is an even number. Right hand side it is an even number. Let us take one example also when it is an odd number. Example, A plus B plus C is equivalent to 17. A comma B comma C are odd numbers, odd natural numbers. How many values A comma B comma C takes? How many values A comma B comma C takes? Right hand side in the previous case, it is an even number. It can be an odd number also. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 17. Now see here, A, B, C are odd numbers. We all know that any odd number, it can be represented as 2k plus 1 or 2k minus 1. So what I will do is, I will take it as 2k1 minus 1. Sir, why are you not taking 2k plus 1? I want the variables to start with 1 because I know the process how to do positive integral solution. Variable should start with 1. If I take 2k1 plus 1, the lowest value of k1 is 0. That will become non-negative. I know how to solve using positive integral solution. Positive means the variable should be starting from 1. A is an odd number, B is an odd number, B is an odd number. Are you all with me? C is also an odd number. C is also an odd number. 2k3 minus 1. K3 greater than or equivalent to 1. K3 greater than or equivalent to 1. K3. If I add it, 2k1 minus 1 plus 2k2 minus 1 plus 2k3 minus 1, it is equivalent to 17. 2k1 minus 1 plus 2k2 minus 1 plus 2k3 minus 1, it is 17. 2 common. This will become k1 plus k2 plus k3 minus 3 is equivalent, minus 3 on left hand side, right hand side it is 20. Are you all with me? Now you know how to solve. K1 plus K2 plus K3, it is 10. All are starting from 1. What will be the answer? If 10 balls are kept in a line, there will be 9 gaps. 3 variables are there. There will be 2 cuts. Answer for this question is 9C2. Answer for this question is 9C2. I hope the idea it is clear. If the right hand side it is an odd number, A can be 2k1 minus 1, B can be 2k2 minus 2. All the variables are starting from 1. K1 greater than or equivalent to 1, K2 greater than or equivalent to 1, K3 greater than or equivalent to 1. So 2 into K1 plus K2 plus K3, it is 20. So K1 plus K2 plus K3, it is 10. If 10 balls are there in a line, there will be 9 gaps. 3 variables are there, 2 cuts. So answer for this question is 9C2. Answer for this question is 9C2. I hope this is clear. Let me do few more questions. More the questions you solve, the more the clarity you will get. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 36. ABCR even natural numbers. Odd numbers we have taken. Let us take even natural numbers. How many values ABC will take such that this equation is satisfied? Such that this equation is satisfied. A plus B plus C is 36. ABCR even natural numbers. How many values ABC can take? First think. ABCR even natural numbers. Any even number, it is divisible by 2. Make the variable starting with 1. Lowest even number, it is 2. A, it is 2k1 because it's an even number. B, it is 2k2. K2 greater than or equivalent to 1. C, it is 2k3. K3 greater than or equivalent to 1. K3 greater than or equivalent to 1. A, B, C are even natural numbers. A is 2k1, B is 2k2 and C is 2k3. If I substitute 2 into k1 plus k2 plus k3, it is 36. So this will be k1 plus k2 plus k3. It is 18. All the variables are starting from 1. If 18 balls are kept in a line, how many gaps will be there? 17. 3 variables, 2 cuts. Answer should be divisible by 17. 17 is a prime number. 17 it is a prime number. I hope the idea it is clear. Odd number means since the variables are starting from 1, take k1, k2 as a as a 2k1 minus 1. 2k, sir, if you take 2k1 plus 1, that also will give an answer. Just one more additional step. Why to avoid that step? I hope this idea it is very much clear to you. Another model. Model by model, concept by concept, problem by problem, topic by topic. You will get extreme confidence in my area of distinct forte. Next one. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 60. A, B, C are multiples of 3. A, B, C are multiples of 3. A, B, C are multiples of 3. How many values A, B, C will take? How many values A, B, C will take? Solution. Once you understand left hand side, right hand side problem will be extremely clear to you. A plus B plus C is 60. A, B, C are multiples of 3. Even number means it is a multiple of 2. A, B, C are multiples of 3. That means A will be any multiple of 3. It is 3k1. B will be any multiple of 3. It is 3k2. C will be any multiple of 3. It is 3k3. K3 greater than or equivalent to 1. So, this will be 3 common, 3 into k1 plus k2 plus k3. It is equivalent to 60. Are you all with me? K1 plus k2 plus k3. It is equivalent to 20. K1, K2, K3 are starting from 1. 20 balls are there. How many gaps? 19 gaps. If 3 variables are there, 2 cuts. Answer should be divisible by 19. Answer should be divisible by 90. Answer should be divisible by 90. I hope this model it is very much clear. This model it is very much clear. Concept it is clear, right? Now, few questions are there. D, E and F. Let us see. A plus B plus C is 56. A, B, C are positive multiples of 4. Positive integers. That means it is an right natural number solution. A, B, C are positive multiples of 4. That means A will be 4k1, B will be 4k2, C will be 4k3. Since it is positive, all are starting with 1. All are starting with 1. All are starting with 1. So this will be 4 into k1 plus k2 plus k3. It is 56. K1 plus K2 plus K3. It is 56. So this will become K1 plus K2 plus K3. It is 14. 14 balls are there. 13 gaps. 3 variables are there. 2 gaps. 13C2. It is 13C2. I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. D. D is what we did it. Now E, it's a very good problem. So what I will do is, I will take this problem in a new slide. So I will solve E in 2 models. E in 2 models. Listen carefully, sir. Once you understand, it is a 5 seconds problem. F I will do it in new slide. A plus B plus C is less than 12. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Traditional method and an optimal method. Method 1. Listen carefully. A plus B plus C is less than 12. Less than 12 means what? A, B, C are natural numbers. Natural numbers. What is the natural number less than 12? 11. That means A plus B plus C, maximum value it is 11. What is the minimum value? All are starting with 1. What is 1 plus 1 plus 1? 3. That means when I say less than 12, it is nothing but A plus B plus C, it is 3. A plus B plus C, it is 4. And so on up to A plus B plus C is equivalent to 11. Is these clear? When I say x is less than 12, that means till 11 we have to take. Sir, why you have not started with 1? Every variable minimum value it is 1. Every variable minimum value it is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So minimum it should start with 3. I hope these equation, how it is transformed to these equation. So there are inequalities converted into equality. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. A, B, C are greater than or equivalent to 1. 3 balls are there. That means 2 gaps. 3 variables, 2 cuts. 2C2. 4 balls are there. That means 3 gaps. 3 variables, 2 cuts. 11 balls are there. 10 gaps are there. It is 2. So answer for this question is 2C2 plus 3C2 and so on up to 10C2. 2C2 plus 3C2 and so on up to 10C2. A plus B plus C less than 12. Minimum value will be 3 and it goes on up to 11. 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 11. 3 balls are there. 2 gaps. 3 variables are there. It is 2 cuts. 2C2 plus 3C2 and so on up to 10C2. Every value finding out and adding, it is a time consuming process. Method 2. Method 2 for this question. Single step, you will get the answer. Sir, what is that single step? Listen carefully. A plus B plus C, it is less than 12. That means A plus B plus C can take 11. If I add 1 to it, I will get 12. That means adding value, it is positive. Please understand how I am converting these less than 2. A plus B plus C is less than 12. If A plus B plus C, if it is 11, if I add 1, I will get 12. If this is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. If this is 10, D value will be 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. If this is 9, D value will be 3. If this is 8, D value will be 4. That means whatever that is a deficit, I will introduce a dummy variable and I will give it to that dummy variable. A plus B plus C 3. Dummy variable will take 9, which is positive. A plus B plus C is 4. Dummy variable I will give 8, positive. A plus B plus C 11. I will give dummy variable, write 1. That means already A, B, C are positive. These dummy variable will also take positive value. If 12 balls are there, it is 11. If 4 variables are there, 11C3. 11C3. That is the reason there is a binomial expansion. XCX plus X plus 1 CX and so on up to X plus R CX. It is given by X plus R plus 1 C R plus 1. There is a binomial expansion. 2C2 plus 3C2 and so on up to 10C2. X is 2, sir. 2C2, 3C2, 10C2. It is 10 plus 1, 11. It is 2 plus 1, 3. X plus R plus 1, C X plus 1. You don't need to remember these binomial expansion. I hope how less than inequality is converted into equality. A plus B plus C, if it is 11, D can be 1. A plus B plus C, if it is 10, D can be 2. A plus B plus C, if it is 9, D can be 3. So whatever that is making up to 12, the deficit, I am introducing to a dummy variable. I am introducing to a dummy variable. Are you all with me? Two more questions. You will feel very, very comfortable with this. Suppose if the question is A plus B plus C plus D less than 30, A, B, C, D are greater than or equivalent to 1. A plus B plus C plus D are greater than or equivalent to 1. That means, see here, A, B, C, D, maximum it can take 29, minimum it will take 4, minimum it will take 4, minimum it will take 4. So this will become A plus B plus C plus D. If it is 29, if I add a variable to it, I will get 30. If it is 29, 29 plus 1, it is 30. If it is 4, I will get E value 26. So E also it is greater than or equivalent to 1. E also it is greater than or equivalent to 1. If 30 balls are there, that means 29 gaps are there. If 5 variables are there, then there are 4 cuts. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 29C4. Concept it is clear. Next one. Please tell me this answer orally, sir. A1 plus A2. A1 plus A2 plus A10. It is less than 100. A1, A2 and A10 all are greater than or equivalent to 1. A1 plus A2 and so on up to A10, it is less than 100. A1, A2 and so on up to A10 greater than or equivalent to 1. What is the minimum value? 10. What is the natural number? Just less than 100? 99. That means A1 solution will be A1 plus A2 and so on up to A10, 99. If I, whatever that is deficit, I will give it to a dummy variable. A11 greater than or equivalent to 1. 100 balls are there. There are 99 gaps. 11 variables are there. There are 10 cuts. 99C10. I hope this concept it is very much clear to you. Once we understand non-negative integral solution, we will also do less than or equivalent to. We will also do less than or equivalent to. Is the concept clear? I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if the question is 12 less than A plus B plus C plus D less than 20, both sides less than it is. 12 less than A plus B plus C plus D less than 20. A, B, C, D are greater than or equivalent to 1. A, B, C, D are greater than or equivalent to 1. How many values A, B will take? How many values A, B will take? Two methods I will solve. Method 1 and method 2. Method 1 and method 2. 12 less than A plus B plus C plus D less than 20. That means A plus B plus C plus D is lying between 12 to 20. That means A plus B plus C plus D can be 13, can be 14, can be 15, can be 16, can be 17, can be 18, can be 19, can be 19. A plus B plus C plus D can be 13, can be 14, can be 15, can be 16, 17, 19. Am I right? 12 less than A plus B plus C less than 20. 13 means it is 12. Gaps will be there. 4 variables, 3 cuts. 14 means 13 gaps will be there. 15 means 4C3. 16 means 5C3. 19 means 18C3. So answer for this question is 12C3 plus 13C3 and so on up to 18C3. 12C3 till 18C3. 12C3 plus 13C3 and so on up to 18C3. I hope this idea it is clear. Solving all these values will be time consuming. Method 2. What is that we discussed? X CX, X plus 1 CX and so on up to X plus R CX. This will give you, already we discussed, we will use these notation. X plus R plus 1 CX plus 1. We have discussed how these will result in this value. X CX plus X plus 1 CX and so on up to X plus R CX. Now see here. How am I solving this question? Right? 12 less than A plus B plus C plus D less than 20. If this is not there, A plus B plus C plus D. If this is not there, A plus B plus C plus D, it is a minimum value 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, listen carefully sir, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If this is not there, I want this part. I want this part. Am I right? 13 to 19 I require. I want this part. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I want this part. This part is given by total it is A plus B plus C plus D less than 20 minus this part. It is A plus B plus C plus D less than 30. Is this concept clear to you? Total, if this is not there, I require 13 to, I require, if that is the question, only one side less than is there. 4 to 19 we require, but we require 13 to 19. That means total it is less than 20 minus less than 12. If I subtract, I will get. So this will be A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equivalent to 20. Here also A plus B plus minus A plus B plus C plus D plus E equivalent to 30. This will be 19C4, this will be 12C4. Direct answer is 19C4 minus 12C4. 19C4 minus 12C4. Are you all with me? Just see here, sir. 2C2, listen carefully, advanced level question. 2C2, 3C2 till 11C3. It will become, sum is 12C4. Till here 18C3 sum. Next it will become 19C4. 19C4 minus 12C4. Why? Because we don't require from 4 to 19, we only require from 13 to 19. This part we require. I will do 2 more examples, you don't need to worry. This I require total minus this, total minus this, total minus this, total minus this. 2 more examples because it's an advanced level question. Please write down. 10 less than a plus b plus c less than 30. A, B, C are greater than or equivalent to 1. Are greater than or equivalent to 1. Listen carefully, sir. 10 less than a plus b plus c less than 30. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Solution. Solution. Step number 1. Left hand side less than not there. If it is not there, a plus b plus c, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. That means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on up to 29. If this is not there, if this is not there, but it is there, a plus b plus c should be 10 less than a plus b plus c means a plus b plus c should be greater than 10. Greater than 10 means 11. That means I require only this portion. Only this portion. Am I right? Please see there. A plus b plus c. 11, 12, 13 and so on up to 20. Only the box portion I require. So what I will do is, these values is nothing but total values, total it is a plus b plus c less than 30 minus this values. It is a plus b plus c less than 11. A plus b plus c less than 11. Just think logically, sir. A plus b plus c less than 30 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on up to 29 minus less than 11 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 3, 4, 4. What is remaining? 11 to 21. What is remaining? 11 to 21. I hope that you understood the beauty of the logic. I am sure it is clear. Since it is less than, this will be a plus b plus c plus d. Introduce a dummy variable 30. A plus b plus c less than 11. A plus b plus c plus d equivalent to 11. 30 means 29 gaps. 4 variables 3. 11 means 10 gaps. 29C3 minus 10C3. Understood the logic? I am sure that the logic it is very much clear to you. This step, if it is clear to you, you will get the answer. Since it is an advanced level question, I will do one more. 12 less than a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 less than 25. Less than 25. 12 to 25. a1, a2, a3, a4 greater than or equivalent to 1. Greater than or equivalent to give. Solution. Solution. 12 less than a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 less than 25. a1, a2, a3, a4 greater than or equivalent to 1. That means it includes all the values 13, 14, 15, till 24. 13, 14, 15 till 24. If it is not there, that means directly I am writing, sir, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 less than 30, less than 25. Less than 25 means 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 24. Am I right? In that one, minus A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 less than 30. Less than 13 means 4, 5, 6 till 12. 4, 5, 6 till 12, if it get cancelled, remaining will be 13 to 24. Idea clear? Right. So this will become A1 till A4 plus A5, it is 25. 24C. 5 variables are there, 4 cuts. Minus A1 plus A2 till A4 plus A5, it is 13. Minus 12C4. Answer for this question is 24C4 minus 12C4. Is the idea clear? Right? Beautiful questions that we discussed, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F. If any other models are there, I am sure we will solve these 3 questions also. These A plus B plus C less than 35. G, H and I. I see here, sir. 6x plus 3y plus 2z is equivalent to 144. Seems like a complex question, but it is an easy question. XYZ greater than or equivalent to 1. Listen carefully. This is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. 6x also divisible by 2. That means y should be divisible by 2. Y should be divisible by 2. Next. 3y divisible by 3. 6x divisible by 3. 144 divisible by 3. Z should be divisible by 3. Y is 3c. That means equation became 6x plus 3 into 2b, 6b plus 6c is equivalent to 144. X plus b plus c is equivalent to 24. B and C are also greater than or equivalent to 1. 24 means 23 gaps are there. 3 variables, 2 cuts. Answer for this question is 23C2. This is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 2. Y should be divisible by 2. This is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. 144 also, it is divisible by 3. Z will be divisible by 3. I hope the idea it is very much clear, sir. Let us do one more exam model question. Please tell me this answer. 3x plus 4y plus 12z is equivalent to 144. X, Y, Z are greater than or equivalent to 1. X, Y, Z are greater than or equivalent to 1. Divisible by 4, divisible by 4. X will be divisible by 4. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3. 144 it is divisible by 3. Y is 3b. So it is 12a plus 12b plus 12z. It is 144. A plus b plus z. It is 12. 12 means answer for this question is 11C2. 12 variables are there. How many gaps? 12 balls are there. 11 gaps will be there. 3 variables, 2 cuts. I and J concept it is clear. Next one, G, already we did. A plus B plus C, it is less than 35. 14 less than A plus B plus C less than 35. That means A plus B plus C can take all the values from 15, 16 and so on up to 34. 15, 16, 17 and so on up to 34. That means it is nothing but A plus B plus C less than 35. Less than 35 means 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 14, 15, 16 and so on up to 34, all the values. But I require only these values. All these values should be eliminated. Minus of A plus B plus C less than 15. A, B, C greater than or equivalent to 1. Less than 15 means 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 14. Minus of 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 14. All these will be eliminated. Exactly that is what we require. Are you all with me? So that means what will be the answer for this question? A plus B plus C plus dummy variable D equivalent to 35. 34 C3. 35 balls are there. So 34 gaps. 4 variables are there. 3 cuts. This is A plus B plus C plus D is equivalent to 15. 14 C3. So answer for this question is 34 C3 minus 14 C3. 34 C3 minus 14 C3. Maximum number of examples that we are doing it, so that once you read a concept, you have to read it from basic to advanced level. Basic questions, if you go through it, then in exam, if the paper is tough, gone case 1 year will be wasted. So answer for this question is 34 C3 minus 14 C3. This question. X plus Y plus Z plus W plus B, it is 8. Substitute. X plus Y plus Z is equivalent to 7. W plus P is equivalent to 8. And condition. And condition. Wherever W plus P is there, I substituted 8. So this will be 8 means 7C1, and condition is fundamental principle of multiplication into X plus Y plus Z equivalent to 7. 7 balls are there. There are 6 cuts. 3 variables, 2 cuts. So answer for this question is 6C2 into 7C1. Answer for this question is 6C2 into 7C1. 6C2 into 7C1. I hope the idea it is very much clear. This is one model, this is one model, this already we discussed the model. This already we discussed the model. Right. Please, I think this similar question we discussed in the next class, how to find out the integral solutions for modulus, right? And these positive integral solutions, all this we are going to discuss. First class, basic class on PNC method. I hope the idea it is clear. What we discussed, what do you mean by non-negative integral, positive integrals, integral solutions, how to find out by counting, how to find out by gap method, how to eliminate answer options for NCR, if n is a prime number or n is a composite number, 2 variables how to do, 3 variables how to do, odd numbers how to do, multiples of k how to do, less than how to do, less than on extremes how to do, right? All the values we discussed. In the next class, another 1 hour to 1 hour 10 minutes, we will complete these PNC method. Please watch all integral solutions problems in a sequential order. In case if you are looking for any course, you can go for SSC course, bank course, CAT recorded course. Thanks a lot. With love, Anil Nair.